Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I will show an analysis of a short story entitled The Answer is No by Naguib Mahfouz, which is considered to represent the voice of feminism. Naguib Mahfouz was born in Cairo, Egypt, December 11, 1911 and died on August 30, 2006 in Giza. Naguib Mahfouz, Egyptian writer who won the 1988 Nobel Prize for Literature short story The Answer is No, published in 1991, addresses the topic of consent and asserts that traumatic experience in the past can affect future relationships. In this short story, there is a main character without a name, only she is mentioned. So, in this short story, the author names her the girl. In the short story, the girl is told to meet again with a character named Badran, someone who had sexually abused her when she was 14 years old. Badran was the one who first proposed to her when she was studying at a university. This short story is very critical about the oppression of a woman. In this short story, the girl is described as rejecting Badran's proposal when she was a child, sexually harassing her. Logically, it is very painful to be married by a man who has sexually harassed. More than that, it is an irony that she has to accept the reality of meeting the harasser again as an adult. In feminism, harassment for a woman is no different as a form of oppression, which can also be interpreted as a form of colonialism. The man forcibly entered the woman's private territory unavoidably. This promise to marry the girl can be cited as a social system that places men as the main power holders. And then physical and psychic oppression. This harassment has happened since the girl was 14 years old when Badran Badawi gave private lessons. The beginning of the problem is when the main character as a child is still 14 years old. In the mental development of knowledge and gender awareness. At this age, she is not yet able to recognize what is called love and how to love, like, and respect properly. Therefore, the girl doesn't understand Badran's intention and persuasion to marry her when she grows up. As a tutor, Badran has the ability to impose his laws on the woman. At this stage, the girl experiences physical and psychological oppression by Badran. And then, psychic suppression. Sexual harassment can have a psychological, emotional, and physical impact on a woman. There are many emotional reactions and psychological effects of sexual violence that can be experienced by victims of abuse and rape. Depression is one of them. Victims also often experience flashbacks, where memories of one traumas feel as if they are happening in the prison. And the last, top the main character. The author wants to convey a critique of a social system that places man as a main power holder in society, which often creates oppression against women. Sexual violence is an example shown in this short story. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.